Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Mapi failure error in Windows 11, step by step. Don't worry if you don't know anything about Windows 11. I'll explain everything slowly and clearly so anyone can follow along. Let's get started. First, let me quickly explain what Mapi failure means. MAPI stands for Messaging Application Programming Interface. This error usually appears when Windows has a problem with email apps, Outlook, or the default mail settings. Now, let's fix it. Step 1. Restart your computer. Before changing anything, do this first. Click on the Start button at the bottom of your screen. Click on the power icon and then click Restart. After your computer restarts, check if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, continue to the next step. Step 2. Set the default email app. Many times, Mapi failure happens because no email app is set as default. Click on the Start button. Now click on Settings. In Settings, click on Apps from the left side. Then click on Default Apps. Scroll down and look for Email. Click on it. Now choose Mail or Outlook, whichever is installed on your computer. Close the Settings window and check if the error is fixed. If not, move to the next step. Step 3. Repair the Mail app. Now we will repair the Mail Windows app. Click on Start, then open Settings again. Click on Apps, then Installed Apps. Scroll down and find Mail and Calendar. Click on the three dots next to it, then click Advanced Options. Scroll down and click on Repair. Wait a few seconds. If that doesn't work, click Reset. Don't worry, this only resets the app, not your computer. Restart your PC and check again. Step 4. Check Outlook if you use it. If you use Microsoft Outlook, this step is important. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. A small box will open. Type Control and press Enter. Click on Mail. Then click on Show Profiles. Make sure there is a profile set as default. If not, select one and set it as default. Click OK and close everything. Step 5. Run System File Scanner. Now we'll scan and fix Windows system files. Click on Start. Type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Now type this command exactly as shown. sfc/scan now. Press Enter. Wait until the scan completes. This may take a few minutes. Once it's done, restart your computer. Step 6. Update Windows 11. An outdated system can also cause Mapi errors. Open Settings. Click on Windows Update. Click Check for Updates. Install any available updates. Restart your PC after the update. After following these steps, the Mapi failure error in Windows 11 should be fixed. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you still face the issue, leave a comment below and I'll try to help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.